Hello to my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, and for those that are new, welcome to my channel. So I'm here to bring you a video just showing you how I install this lace front wig. So if you are interested, stay tuned. So here I'm just doing a simple braid pattern, just small enough so that the wig can sit nicely flat on the head. So this wig was purchased from aliexpress.com. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, I will add the link in the description box below. It also comes with free eyelashes and a wig cap. So I'm going to be using the Gots to Be Freeze Spray just to hold down the cap around the front. Now I'm just adding some little stitches around the perimeter of the back of the cap, just so that it doesn't lift. So if you've noticed, I had to cut a little bit of the cap on the sides, only because the wig is not that huge. I'm not saying that her head is big, guys, not saying that her head is big, but I had to cut it just so I can bring the wig so that it looks as natural as possible, because the cap was showing. So now I'm going to begin by cutting the lace just around the ears, just so it can sit and look as natural as possible. So now I'm just carefully and gently just cutting the lace around the front, not cutting it into a straight line, but in kind of like a zigzag motion, just so it looks as natural as possible. So now I'm just adding some extra stitches in the wig just to make it that little bit more secure, and if the wind blows, it doesn't take the hair with it. Now I'm just gonna cut some baby hairs around the front. We were trying to decide whether we wanted some around the sides of the head, but we only decided that we just want to cut the ones at the top, just so it blends in that little bit extra. I'm just now adding some mousse onto the hair, just to help it to sit down that little bit more neat.